Crews at the northern end of the Bonner Bridge replacement project are steadily making their way south to meet the work underway at what will be the bridge's new navigation zone. Having completed the southern half of the navigation zone's new structure, crews are now working to construct the 5 northern spans of the structure before connecting the 2 halves together. As work on the navigation zone progresses between the months of February and May, with advanced notice from the Coast Guard and NCDOT, mariners in the area can expect periodical closures of the marine navigation channel for a period lasting up to 2 hours. An updated listing of these closures can be found at www.ncdot.gov/NC12. South of the navigation zone, crews are constructing the columns and installing the caps that will support the bridge's southern incline, connecting the navigation zone structure to the bridge's southern landing. Land-based crews are working to complete pile driving efforts and construction of the footings and columns that will support the bridge's decking to the completed southern approach. At the site of the newly completed P Island Interim Bridge, the metal framework of the former Lego Bridge has been dismantled as crews have begun the process of cutting and clearing the concrete foundations that once supported it. Additionally, crews have also begun removing the lanes of road nearest the new bridge in preparation to install a protective rock barrier. NCDOT urges motorists in these areas to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, and watch signs for construction information and lane closures. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC12 Monday through Friday. One lane will remain open during these lane closures, however, motorists should allow extra travel time. Occasional nighttime road closures lasting up to 30 minutes may be necessary for deliveries and movement of construction materials. NCDOT will provide advance notice of these road closures via various online and social media resources, as well as its travel information management system at www.drivenc.gov. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's local notice to mariners, broadcast notice to mariners, and marine safety information bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge and P Island Interim Bridge construction projects, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.